In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice chat in Claude AI. First, open your Claude account. If you already use Claude in your browser or app, just head to the place where you normally chat and make sure your account is open. Next, log into your account, enter your usual sign-in details, and complete any verification your service might request. Once you're in, you should be on the main chat screen, ready to start a new conversation. Look for the voice icon, usually shown as a small microphone near the message box or along the bottom toolbar. Click the microphone icon. The first time you do this, your browser or device will ask for permission to use the microphone. Click Allow to activate voice input. Without granting permission, Claude won't be able to hear you. If you have multiple microphones connected, choose the one you prefer from your device's audio settings so your voice is clear. On mobile, the microphone may appear inside the message field. On desktop, it's often beside the send button. If you don't see it, make sure you're in a chat window rather than settings. Also, if your browser previously blocked access, look for a small camera or microphone badge near the address bar to re-enable permission. Testing your levels by saying a short sentence can help the system catch your voice cleanly before you dive into longer prompts. With the microphone active, you can begin speaking normally. Take a moment to think about your prompt, then say it out loud as you would type it. Speak at a comfortable pace and include any details that help Claude understand what you want. You don't need to shout. A steady, clear voice works best. If you pause briefly, that's fine. Claude will keep listening until you finish. When you're done, click Stop. This ends the recording and sends your voice prompt for processing. After a short moment, you'll see the response appear in the chat. If something didn't come through correctly, you can click the microphone again and restate your request more clearly. If you want to turn voice chat off, simply click the microphone icon again to toggle it off. You'll know it's off when the icon is no longer highlighted and your device is no longer listening. That's all there is to it. To recap, open your account, log in, click the microphone, allow permission, speak, then click Stop. And whenever you're finished, toggle the microphone off. Keep your environment relatively quiet for best results and make sure your browser tab has permission to use your mic. Thanks for watching and enjoy chatting with Claude using your voice.